If you tried to cook a chicken breast with a lightning strike, it would instantly char the outside while leaving the inside raw. Instead, set up a tall rod to catch the lightning strike, sending most of it safely into the ground. Then have a smaller part of the rod in a big tank of salty water. When the bolt strikes, the electricity would heat up the water, and that water is used to heat up the chicken. If the lightning keeps striking, the tank heats evenly, cooking all the way through the chicken.